Wow.
Now you can do your weird little snort thing.
Watch. What is that? I hope you're not all stuffed up. Are you all congested? What is that?
What the heck is that?
What is that? Is he uncomfortable? It looks like it's painful. Doesn't it? It kind of looks like it's painful. He gets all stiff. Watch. Well, we didn't do it that time.
No? You
Okay,
can do
here
it one
we
more
go.
time for us?
I feel bad
Is
for
your
him.
nose stuffed up, bub?
What do you think he's doing? I feel bad. Like, it's obviously not pleasant, whatever it is. Do you think he feels sick?
I don't know.
He started doing it last night. What is that?
I don't know. Okay, one last one, Bubs.
Do you think he's okay?